back with another video. As you can see, we're at another desert. Right here, look at it, yeah, you see it? You can see, this is my friend Billy. Say hi. Yeah, you say hi already. I shot some bullets to him. This is my brother, by the way, say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Anyways, yeah, as you can see behind me, giant car. What do you think this is? Classic Land Cruiser. And you guys can take a look without me in front of it. No? As you can see, right here, Toyota Land Cruiser. The top. What's this? Oh.
Wallet.
Anyways, if you guys did like the good look of the Land Cruiser, Toyota Land Cruiser, make sure you hit the like button though. If we get 1,000 likes, we'll show you guys another Land Cruiser car or so. Anyways, the same thing as that one, but you guys can look all around it, the inside of it. So, Billy, yeah, Billy's right there. Hi, Billy. Anyways, that's my friend Joe over there. You can see him looking off the distance. He's wearing glasses, yes. Oh, okay. Oh, there you go. Exposed. Anyways, if you guys look behind next to this car, you see another Lexus, though. It's a Toyota Lexus. We go in that car for shooting to go to deserts. That's how we got here. We have another car, by the way. We have two more cars. We have an FJ, and we have a Mercedes. Anyways, Billy over here, follow me, follow me. Billy, right here. He's backwards.
So what happened to Billy?
I saw him.
You shot Billy.
Yes.
Wow. With what?
Bullets.
Did you like it?
Happy, look.
Billy's my old friend. You know,
Who
Billy,
like it?
he didn't get to introduce himself. You know, Billy should get introduced. Say hi to Billy.
Hi, Billy.
Hi, Billy.
Hi, my name is Billy McNeely. Hey, stop. Hi. I'm Nick 4K's friend. Oh, hi. Billy right here has his tongue sticking out. I don't know why. Billy, why do you have your tongue sticking out? Well, it's because it's hot outside and my tongue is, well, cold. Well, hello. Anyways, I'd like to end it off there. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you hit the like button. And remember, if we get 1,000 likes, we'll show you guys these two cars again. Hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment down below. Is Billy still alive? He's still alive. If he was still alive, he'd be not talking. Bye, guys.